Hi, my name is Aleksandra, and here's how to use Einstein Search on a Salesforce platform to find the information you need faster. First, you'll need to activate it. On any device, go to Setup, search for Einstein Search, and click on a checkbox to turn it on. Then, go to the permission sets and create new one. Name it Einstein Search and select Einstein Search for the license. Save the updates and assign the users. And that's it. To find what you're looking for, use descriptive language, such as opportunities closed last year. The more you search, the more Einstein learns from you and tailor results just for you. Find more tips like mine in the Salesforce platform Quick Tip series.